45-year-old biotech CEO may have reduced his biological age by at least 5 years through a rigorous medical program that can cost up to $2 million a year. Well, this guy's taking the Bezos plan and going backwards on the aging. Or, I mean, look at the face. There's something going on. There's some sort of activity going on.
It's working.
I don't know what's going on with the face, but there's something going on.
The neck.
I don't. I don't.
Is this a mid-journey?
I don't. Man, Brian Johnson is a biotech founder, so I guess he's his own guinea pig. He's got to look the part. He aims to have the body of an 18-year-old. He and a team of experts started a program called Project Blueprint to unlock the key to aging. Test results show that Johnson has the heart of a 37-year-old, according to the report.
But he's 45.
But 45.
Well, all these numbers.
Well, listen, everybody is biologically different. I think the hard part about a study like this is how do you determine, like, a person who's just in tremendous fitness versus the effect of these substances? And I presume if they're a biotech company, they probably want to raise billions. So they probably have some sort of structure for evaluating that. They're like, well, here's with just exercise, and here's with exercise plus our bio whatever program.
It can't just be like wrinkle reduction. You know what I mean? It has to be some sort of cardiovascular test as well.
You want a multifaceted approach.
Yeah. Because, I mean, if he has like an 18-year-old body, it's like, okay, how's those tests like maintained? It's not just wrinkles, right? It has to be some sort of like cardiovascular health test.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I don't know, blood pressure, heart rate, cholesterol. The signs of aging are complex.
Yeah.
According to a recent Bloomberg profile of the CEO, Johnson could spend $2 million on his body this year, and early glimpses that show he may be on track to unlocking the secret to aging. Test results from doctors suggest that Johnson has the heart of a 37-year-old, the skin of a 28-year-old, and the lung capacity of an 18-year-old. Good Lord. Okay, so here's his regimen. Johnson's 5 a.m. mornings, for example, start with 24 supplements for all kinds of purported health benefits. Lycopene, metformin, turmeric, zinc, and for brain health, a small dose of lithium, among others, which has been used in the past as an antidepressant. His meals, a mix of solid and soft food, vegan, restricted to 1,977 calories a day. I think I already had that many calories.
Yeah. You ate 3 chips.
3 of your fancy chips, Will, which are incredibly addictive. He exercises daily with 3 high-intensity workouts a week and goes through blood tests, MRIs, and colonoscopies each month.
Hey. Why are you joking about that?
Oh, it's just like this guy. It's just like he
likes deep cleanse.
He's having a colonoscopy like regular people are. Having a milkshake or something. You know, like very. You gotta wonder if there's other potential.
Well, he wants to spoil himself.
You gotta wonder if there's other possible downsides to this level of medical treatment. You know, when you go into an MRI machine, it's like, hey, there's risks long term. You know what I mean? You're not trying to have an MRI every 5 minutes, I don't think. So that's interesting.
Yeah, you don't want to be too clean.
What I do may sound extreme, but I'm trying to prove that self-harm and decay are not inevitable. He aims to be a world record epigenetic age reversal of 5.1 years. He has the gum inflammation of a 17-year-old. How far back can you go? Like,
he has a
hey man,
smooth butt as a baby.
I was worried you were gonna say that word. I telepathically was protecting you from.
No.
I was like, but yes, I mean, like, what he has the brain of a 5-year-old.
Yeah.
Like, what? Okay. Anyway. Yeah. Nighttime erections of a teenager. Like, man,
he has wet dreams.
Listen, guys, listen, it's too hard. I just want to know, how do you evaluate? Well, and you're going to need more than one sample. Maybe this guy is special. Maybe this is Iron Man. I don't know.
Yeah.
What's going on? And it's also marketing. Like, eventually you want clients for this stuff. Wow, is that his fridge? Look how empty his fridge is. Just like a few potions in there.
Mystical.
1,900 calories a day.
Hey, it seems to be working.
My
for him,
Chick-fil-A from the other day disagrees.
Yeah.
Disagrees heavily, Will.
Yeah.